This is Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. Joe Bliss and Casey Jones, 1950 at Yahoo. Forgot to post this one after I did it. This is part 3 of regearing and adding sound to a C&O GP7 Proto 2000. And this is the results, how it looks with the Wow decoder and the Mars light above the headlight. I have one on both ends. The first 20 Jeeps had that originally, and the headlights lowered. Anyway, I like the idle of this better. I've got another one of these. It's still got the old Soundtraxx decoder in it, but I hate Soundtraxx anymore. The idle doesn't sound as good to me. It doesn't notch up and down properly like it should. The Wow notches up much better. Let me back it up. That's too close. And in part 2, I showed you how the chassis is set up. How I arranged the speaker, decoder, and motherboard and all that in there. And it's real simple to do, and don't have to remove any weight with their decoder and motherboard. Use the Tony's Sugar Cube 15 by 11 millimeter speaker in the cab area, as well as the TCS KA2 Keep Alive, and everything fit nicely. Replaced the headlights with LEDs. I made lenses out of Plastistrut translucent rod. It's the smallest size, and I think it takes a 52 drill you have to remount the castings with in order to make them fit, but cut them off so they just extend in there far enough for the LED to shine on them. Anyway, that's it. That's part 3. And subscribe to my channel if you like the videos, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.